So, five number summary is what we're talking about. When you find the three quartiles, lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile, and when you find the upper extreme, the highest score, and the lower extreme, which is the lowest score, then we have five numbers, which is called the five number summary. Okay, I'll just set of data. That tells us a fair amount about that piece of data. It tells us what the range is very easily. It tells us the interquartile range, breaks the data into four sections, all these type of things. It tells us where the median is. And so the way that we use this five number summary is by putting it into a box and whisker. This is a box and whisker. Okay? The lower extreme is down here. Then you have a line which is the whisker. Then you have this box. The edges of the box are the lower quartile and the upper quartile. And then the median is a line somewhere inside that box. And then the upper extreme and the other whisker. Now, you can't just have this on its own. When you actually have a scale, you have a scale along the bottom that shows where these things line up. Okay, that's the way it works. There you have five number summary in a box and whisker plot along the scale, and you can see you get a nice summary of the data you want it to know. Now, like we've been talking about, when you have the interquartile range has 50% of the scores, okay, approximately, because you could have repeated scores and things like that. But approximately 50% of the scores are inside this box, okay, inside the interquartile range. And each of the whiskers has a quarter, 25% of the scores lie in the ranges of these whiskers over here. So it's a good way, like I said, to have an overview of the range, the interquartile range, and how it's distributed. Okay, so the box is down here and the lower whisker is very short. It tells you that the majority of the data is low and you have some outliers, or some data that's up the top. Or if it's like this is evenly distributed, or it might be skewed towards the upper end. Okay, so you can have all sorts of things once, or you can have a very small box where there's a big concentration in the middle of two long whiskers going out. There's all sorts of ways, but just by the shape of it, you can actually see how the data is distributed. Okay? So that's a way of interpreting and finding out information about the data. Write this down. Okay, so we're going to find the five number summary of this set of data. 12, 14, 15, 15, 17, 18, 18, 21, 25. Jake, how many scores are there here? 9 scores. So which is the middle one, Callum? Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 17 is the median. So we'll just go that arrow, Q2. Okay, so then we've got 4 on each side. What is the lower quartile? Yeah, between 14 and 15. So 14.5 is Q1. Okay, what's Q3? What's the upper quartile? Tell me where it is first. Yeah, 19.5. Between 18 and 21, Q3 equals 18 plus 21 over 2, which is equal to 19.5. Okay, what's the upper extreme? 25. Alright? 25 is the upper extreme, lower extreme is 12. Okay, so we have our 5 bits of information, a 5 number summary. I can write it as the 5 numbers I need to know: 12, 14.5, 17, 19.5, and 25. Okay? So that's what we've got. Now we can draw a box and whisker plot. Okay, so what do we need to do when we draw a box and whisker plot? Please tell me, Josh. A ruler. You my class last year. I don't know how many times I told people to use a ruler. Tell me if I'm wrong. Just the habit of chewing on the ends.
Oh my god.
Or even chew on things is very disturbing. Alright, first thing. I don't have a ruler for this, but that's okay. I think you just straight line by one. So just put the scale along the bottom first. So it has to go from 12 to 25. So you do that scale. Right. So let's see, what scale should I do? So let's say start at 12, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Okay? We're going to go up by 2. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12. Usually the best way to do it is to start with the box. That's the way I do it. I do the box first and then the whiskers go out from the box. So 14.5 is about here. So we do a line. That's for the lower extreme. The upper extreme is 19.5, which is about here. Oh, sorry, the upper quartile I meant, thank you. Upper quartile, so that's that. I'm going to do my box. Nice box. Okay. Now I'm going to put my median in, which is 17. So I'll put my line in where 17 lines up. So I've got my box here. Now I need to mark my upper and lower extremes. So I'll do that with a little dash. 35 with a little dash. Now I simply connect it in the middle with a line. Here we have our box and whisker. Okay? So nice and clear, it's got to match up, it's got to be neat, match it up nicely with the scale and all these things, and you should not have any problems. Alright, so 5 number summary, box and whisker. Let you describe this example. Have a look. From the following box and whisker plot, find the 5 number summary and also find the range and interquartile range. Okay, 5 number summary. Harrison, give me. Well, I thought it was 36. Right. 5 number summary. Right, so lower extreme, I just do lower extreme is 36. What's the lower quartile, Brandon? 45. 2, 1 is 45. The median, what's the median, Eden? 61, good. 61, what is the upper quartile? 73-ish. Instead of 473, it really doesn't matter too much. Plus or minus 2 or 3 in these sort of questions is not going to be big. Right? You clearly understand where it is. And then the upper extreme is what, Brad? Alright, so we've got those details. Now we need to find the range. What's the range? Good. 78 minus 36, which is equal to 42. And then what's the interquartile range? Good. 33 minus 45, which is what again? Alright, so we found the things that we're looking for. And you're just using the data that you get out from this box and whisker plot. Finding what it is. Okay? Now I'm just going to do the last example and then I can go back and you can copy it down. So just listen to your last example. From the stem and leaf plot, find the 5 number summary and draw a box and whisker plot. Alright, so you're finding out what the quartiles are from this and then using that information to do a box and whisker plot. So let's circle the numbers that we need to know. What's the low extreme? So that's the low extreme here. What is the first quartile? We think we're going to have this score. Well, median is easiest first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 25. So the middle score is the 13th score. 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Good. So, middle one, what did we say it was? 19. Okay? Now we're going to find a quarter. That's the middle one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 scores. If you have 12 scores, Ryan, what's the middle score? Yeah, between the 6 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is where Q1 is. Right, so what is Q1? 11. Good. Right, and then Q3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27.5. The median is 19. Alright, so we've got this information. I'm not going to draw the pot here now, because I think we can do that for the first one. But we can go that further. So you get the idea. You find the quartile, you find the upper one, you find the lower one, and then you draw the box and whisker pot. The box is where the quartiles are, the upper and lower quartiles. The median is a line. Okay, the median is this line, and then the whiskers connect the lower extreme with the upper extreme. Okay? So the exercise is on your sheets that I gave you, 11I. 11I. I'll go back up to the top.